Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with some false lashes and we are going to try these new lashes that everyone is just going crazy about, well, in Ireland anyway. So I was very curious to try these as well, so I bought it. So these lashes are by the company called Kiss and it's called the Falscara lashes, and it's the new way of applying lashes as well, which I was a bit not skeptical but intrigued maybe, because these lashes are applied not on the top of your lash line but from the bottom of your lash line. So I always had this in mind that if you use or apply lashes from underneath the lash line, it's kind of gonna feel uncomfortable or make my eye teary, or it's going to feel heavy. So I kind of never tried this trend before until I've seen everyone raving about these lashes and how comfortable they are and how amazing they look, and I just, okay, I need to get them, I need to buy them. So I went into my local Superdrug shop and got these lashes. This is the starter kit, or it's the set that it comes in. So you get your lashes, 5 clusters. Now these are the clusters. So 5 clusters, you got your special seal and bond, which I'll show you how to use, and little tweezers to apply them, like a little applicator. One thing I'm gonna say, these were the most expensive fake lashes I ever purchased. These were $37.99 in Superdrug, and I was like, I couldn't believe it's nearly 40 euro. But when I checked online and in other shops, it's only 25 or 26 euro. So I suppose it's either they made a mistake pricing these, or I just been ripped off. So if you are getting these lashes, it's supposed to be around 25, 26 euro and around $20. So please be sure to check the price and don't overpay like I did. So I'm gonna take them off the packaging and I'm gonna show you a little bit how to use it. So it comes in this little packaging, you open it. So you have your lashes, you can take this little plastic thing out. So these are the little clusters that you can apply. So what I like about this as well, that you can use not necessarily a full lash to apply it. You can only use like 2 or 3 clusters on the outer part of your eye if you want that kind of cat eye or lifted eye, or you just want a little bit less lash, maybe for every day or just to look more natural. But you can also use the full lash to apply it, and again, depending on your eye, if it's smaller, you probably will use just maybe 4 or 3 or whatever. So in the same packaging, you are getting bond and seal product as well. So bond is supposed to be applied first, and then you have to seal the lashes in with this part here, which I'll show you. And finally, the little applicator to take the lashes with. I honestly don't really like it. It feels, I don't know, I feel like I would rather use my own tweezers because it's like I have a better grip to it than with that, so I'm not gonna use that. So how to start? First of all, make sure to lift the lid from this here that holds lashes in place, and then you have all the clusters there. So then it's very important, don't use mascara before applying these lashes or after applying these lashes. Now these lashes are reusable. They say you can reuse it up to 5 times. I'm sure you can do it more if you're very careful. So what you need to do, you need to take the bond part of this, and this looks like a little kind of mascara wand. So you just need to coat your lashes with this bond bit. Just apply it like you would normally apply your mascara. So this will be quite a sticky base for my fake lashes I'm gonna apply next. So that is the purpose of this bond primer. So once you have the bond applied, next step is to take the lash. Make sure don't pull it from the very tips of the lash, but pull it from the base and just take it off. I've used it before, so I know I kind of love to start from the inner part because I know then how many I will need. So what you need to do, you need to look down into your mirror, and it's going to be very awkward to show you, down into the mirror and apply it from underneath the lash, and it kind of sticks. See, so I'm kind of just applied it from underneath my lash line, not on top of the lash line. So once you have one done, we have to do another one. Taking the lash again, looking down and trying to place that one as close as I can to this other one. And just like that, I have a second one. So I will be continuing until I'm fully finished with the 5 clusters. And that's it. So I actually used only 4 clusters. I have 1 more left, but I feel like there's enough. So then to seal it in place and make sure it will last and you won't lose them throughout the day, you need to use the seal part of this applicator. So it will remove the sticky residue if there is any left, and it comes in this little kind of mascara wand again. And you just kind of from the bottom as close as you can to the actual bottom lash line, you just press that seal on, and just like that you have one eye applied. As you can see, it's quite natural looking. It doesn't feel heavy. I don't feel them at all, and they feel super lightweight and comfortable for sure. So the next step obviously is to do the other eye. So I will be using the bond again. Coat my lashes with the bond really well, so the fake clusters have somewhere to stick to. And I will repeat the process again, starting from the inner corner. And just like that, like less than 1 minute, I have them applied. So to seal them in place, I'm just taking the seal part of the applicator and kind of just pressing on the roots of the lashes. And you're done. So this is how they look. I really like them. They're very wispy and they're very comfortable. I've tried so many different strip lashes that are so uncomfortable, and I know these are not strip, but they are very comfortable, just like any other individual lashes. If you ever worn individual lashes, you probably know that individual are much more comfortable than strip. So you might ask how long they last, how to remove them, and can you sleep in them? Now, first things first, I wouldn't recommend sleeping in these lashes. These are just the same as a strip lash. It's not advisable to sleep in fake lashes anyways. So obviously at the end of the day, remove them and just store them back into the container. How to remove them? Now, Kiss has a special remover released as well, but I didn't buy it because I already paid like nearly 40 euro for the lashes. I didn't want to spend any more money on that. But I tried my trusty Nivea makeup remover, just soaked a little Q-tip in this remover and just kind of gently wiggled underneath the lashes there, and they really easily came off. When I removed the lashes and whatever was left on my natural lashes, I just used cotton pad and the same Nivea remover and just removed the rest of that bond stuff. That was pretty easy. And definitely don't try to pull them off like that, because you might damage your own lashes, which you don't want to lose, I'm sure. So obviously, if you remove them correctly and you store them back into their container and put it away safely, then you can easily reuse them for like up to 5 times. I'm sure you can get away with more times. I'm not gonna lie, the right eye is much easier to do than the left eye, but then if you do it a few times, I'm sure we'll get the gist of how to use it. I absolutely love how natural they look. I love how they feel. I definitely don't feel any weight on my eyes, and yeah, I'm really impressed with these lashes. So if you are struggling with strip lashes or individual lashes and you feel it's very tricky for you, definitely try Falscara lashes. You've seen how easy they stick on top of your natural lashes, and you don't need to wait until your glue is dry or whatever other steps you have to take for applying strip lashes or other lashes. Also, if you run out of the bond or seal, there's always some to buy separately from the pack, or the same with the lashes. If you still have this product left but your lashes are ruined for some reason, you can definitely just repurchase one or the other. So yeah, this is a quick one today. I just wanted to show you this new innovation and how easy it is to use, especially for someone who's beginning with applying lashes or someone who wants a quick fix for lashes. These are amazing. So thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all next week.